Hello guys, welcome to the channel Tech Icon Place. Today we are going to unbox one more product, that is Sony speakers. I bought it from Flipkart. Let's unbox and see. Here we have Sony speakers. This is how the box look like. So peak power is 650 watts, 100 watts CTA, RMS, 4-way sound, and 6.9 inches in centimeters, 6 into 24 centimeters length and breadth, and also extra bass. Model of this speaker is XS-XB6941. On the back side of the speaker we can see a measurement. We can use this, we can cut this and use as a measurement for holes, speaker grills and screws fittings. Let's unbox this product. So we are getting these cables with it. Extra screws and cables. Cables with jack, one side open. Two color cables, warranty card. There we have two speakers. So here we go, we have our speakers with us, 4-way speakers. So here we have our speaker. This is a speaker gear. Sony. The top of these speakers we can see a tutors top of this, and this is a woofer diaphragm. So back side of this speaker we can see a RMS power 100 watts, peak power 650 watts, rated power 90 watts, rated impedance 4 ohms, and it's made in Vietnam. Let's fix this in car and check the sound quality. Of the speaker is very good in terms of bass and tutor sound, all are very nice. So that's all guys. If you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.